43 tells us use a graph or a graphing calculator to find all local maximums and minimums and values of x where they occur. Give values rounded to 2 decimal places. So for number 43, we have negative x cubed plus 2x minus 3. I'm going to go ahead and put that into my graphing calculator. So we're going to go into y equals. Press clear. Remember the subtraction sign. This sign is different, so you should be putting in negative x cubed plus 2x. Now here I'm not going to put negative, I'm going to put minus 3. Let me know when you guys got it. Got it? Got it? Okay, now what? What do we press? Zoom 6. Okay, so here in this problem, let's make a quick sketch. And it's okay if you don't have graphing paper on this problem. You just want a visual. And what I want to show you guys is the calculator commands to find the local minimum using the calculator. What do you guys remember? Now, Natalie, you mentioned trace before, right?
Oh yeah, trace.
So this, you can pay attention and watch that value, but it's just an estimate, as you said before, right? Mm-hmm. It's an estimate, but your calculator has the power to actually do that. So let's do that together. So let's calculate that order pair. So second, trace, because that gives us the word calculate. Second, trace. And what do we call that one?
Local max. Oh, no, local max.
Yeah, local max.
Oh.
We're doing this one right here. Okay, so it says, where is left bound? So you have to go a little bit left. Press enter. And a little bit right. And then do exact. You okay, Macy?
Yeah. No.
Yeah.
So you want me to go?
I just, go back. I wasn't paying attention this way.
Okay, let's do that again. So second, trace.
Okay.
And then we're going to do max, so it's number 4. So you can either scroll down or press number 4. And then you can go, now it says left bound. So let's pretend I'm putting my pencil exactly at the highest point of the roller coaster, at that point right there. You want to go a little bit left of the pencil. Does that make sense? So you might just press left twice. Doesn't matter. Yours might have a line down the line. Mine doesn't have that. And now you're going to press to the right, because it says right bound. And then when it says guess, you're going to move it left and right so it's exactly what you think is the answer. Okay, it tells us the max is, let's write down this. And our book said to the local max is point, so this point right there is 0.82, comma, negative 1.91. We're okay so far? Alright, what would you guys call this one then? Local minimum. Alright, you tell me the calculator. You guys, tell me. What did we just press before? Right. Second trace. Now what? Minimum, number 3. Now what? Well, we're trying to get to that point, so just move your cursor over.
Towards the left of it.
Yeah, left of it. Does that make sense? What left boundary? I'm going to press enter. A little bit to the right of it, and what you think your guess is. So our answer is negative 0.81 or 2, comma, negative 4.09. And that's how we can use a graphing calculator to find the minimum, local minimum and maximums. Remember, this problem doesn't have an absolute max because I have an arrow and the graph keeps going up, and we don't have an absolute minimum because of the arrow.